Hi, we're going to start the video for Chapter 4, fourth in the Spotlight, which is using random numbers. So pull this over. We'll take a look at what we want to do with this. So Dr. Kimura teaches an introductory statistics class and has asked you to write a program that he can use in class to simulate the rolling of dice. Program should randomly generate two numbers in the range of 1 through 6 and display them. In your interview with Dr. Kumara, you learn that he would like to use the program to simulate several rolls of the dice, one after the other. Here is the pseudocode. So while the user wants to roll the dice, we're going to display a random number in the range 1 through 6, display another random number in the range 1 through 6, ask the user if he or she wants to roll the dice again. Okay, so we're going to write this with a while loop, simulates roll of a dice, and then ask the user whether they want to roll again or not, and we will use them to answer with a Y if they would like to repeat this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on the code for this. And I've already got Visual Studio code with for Java here. So I'm going to go ahead and open the folder, which is going to be the roll dice. And then we want to do a new file. It's going to be called roll dice. You can put .java on there. We're going to need two import statements this time. We're going to import java.util.scanner, and then we're going to import java.util.random. Set up our class. And then our main. So we're going to have a constant in here. So we need a final. It's going to be an int. Die size, in this case, is going to be 6. We're going to have two integer variables, die 1 and die 2. Set up our scan. We go back up here. Scanner is going to be equal to, scanner keyboard be equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, so we're going to set back up again. Okay, there we go. Random rand equals new random. Then we'll do our while loop. While again dot equals ignore case and we don't have again in there, which is because I didn't put it in, so we need to put a string variable again, and we're going to set that equal to y. I'm going to make it equal to a lowercase y, and I'm going to have this lowercase right there. Doesn't make any difference because we equals ignore case would work whether we have it lower or uppercase or narrow. So while that, do a system.out.println, rolling the dice, put a couple, 3 dots in there, saying that we're continuing on here. So die 1 is going to be equal to rand dot next int die size plus 1, because die size will return a number between 0 and less than 6. And so this will give us the number between 1 and 6. Die2 equals ran.next int. Okay, not doing it for me. Die sides. And again, +1, oops, +1. We got both of those and we want to print this out. So THEIR. Okay, so the values are, I'm going to do die1 plus quote space quote plus die2. Yes, in there, there we go. Okay, so then we're done with the while loop. Actually, we're not, sorry. We got to get them to see whether they want to do this again or not. So system out.print. Roll them again. Y equals yes. And then again equals keyboard dot next line. Okay, so that's the end of the oops, I think that's the end of the program. Double check. Pretty sure it is. Yep. So let's go ahead. I don't see, oh, I got an underline there. An extra parentheses right here that shouldn't be there, so we take that out of there. And it looks like everything else is okay, so let's run this and see what happens. So we got their values are, we got 4 and 4. Come down here and do a Y. 5 and 1, Y. 3 and 6, Y. 6 and 2, and we get out of it. So everything seems to be working great on that. So